Hello, my name is Ella, and I'm in the Cosmetology program at Boca Beauty Academy. I decided to get into this program because I've always loved hair and everything to do with hair. I used to cut my American Girl doll's hair, I used to dye all my friends' hair, and I gave some pretty good haircuts sometimes. My plans after graduation are to eventually open my own salon and first probably work in some other salons to get the hang of everything and to understand how everything works so that when I open my own salon, I can do amazing. One of my favorite things about this school is all of the friends that I've made and my amazing teacher who has taught me an incredible amount, which I didn't know that there was that much to learn about hair, and she goes really in depth and does an amazing job.